like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? Okay, beauty, so I want to do a wear test. We're going to be trying out the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I picked up the shade 4N62 from Sephora, and I want to do a wear test on it, and I'm headed to work. This is too cute. Like, how... Like, I'm glad they're getting away from, like, their all black, like, aesthetic. So this is the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. I don't know why the name is so long. This retails for $43 from Sephora. I did pick up from my local Sephora. I did not order it online. I was able to pick it up. They had my shade. But I wanted to do a wear test with you all throughout the day and just see how I like it. Oh, so it's a cap, but it also has the pump on it, which I love. I thought it was going to be something I have to like pour on my hand. Like I said, I am in the shade 4N62. I put 2 pumps on the back of my hand, which are there, which I know I'll need more, but like I said, I am just going to work. So I'm going to put on a little bit of this CoverGirl mattifying primer. And I normally just put it in the center of my face. I mean, what is this? Ghetto. I'm going to take this Morphe foundation brush. It's just a flat top brush. And I'm going to use that to apply it. It's very skin-like. It does say that it's medium coverage, so it's not going to be like full. I'm going to take another pump and a half maybe, because the other one is gone. It's a good shade. I put it on in the store and it like disappeared on my cheek. So that's when I was like, okay. Not too bad, not too bad. We're going to use all this that's on our hand. So that maybe was like 3 pumps. Because I feel like the first one was like not like a full pump. I'm going to use my Boing concealers by Benefit. This is the shade number 11 and number 9. This is number 11, the deeper shade. Or the more skin tone shade, I want to say. And then I'm going to put number 9 on top of that. But I don't want it to be too bright. Looks good. To set my under eye, I'm going to take this Sephora powder. It's just a translucent powder. I'm going to use that to set my under eye. I love this freaking powder. To set my entire face, I am going to take the Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. This is in the shade number 177. This is like one of my favorite setting powders. I'm going to use this to set my entire face. It's a very, very concentrated powder, but it's very good. Very full coverage. I'm going to take this with me just in case I need it, but I shouldn't need it. But I'm going to also take some of this Glowish bronzer by Huda. And we're going to bronze our face up a little bit. Just warm it up. You gotta warm it up, child. I don't even think I have a Makeup Forever bronzer. It's more of like a, it's not my skin tone. It's more of like a highlighter, honestly. I'm gonna take this palette by Too Faced, and I'm just gonna place some powder. I'm just gonna place some powder in like my crease. Just all over my lid, basically. Because like I said, I'm headed to work. So this is all she wrote. And I'm gonna take a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna take this Lancome Hypnose. Girl, this ain't my Pat McGrath, baby. We gotta put Pat McGrath in here. But this is my Juicy Tubes Lancome Gloss and Electro. Okay, I have this Charlotte Tilbury Push-Up Lashes mascara. Oh, wow. So last I'm gonna put this Toasted Blush on by Black Radiance. So we're out the door. So it is currently, it's currently 7:20. I don't know if y'all can see that. And so we're gonna just do a wear test for the day and see how we like it. So I'll probably check in like around my lunch. My lunch is at 12, so I'll check in around that time, and then we'll see how it's going. Okay. Okay. So I'm at work. This is what it looks like in, like, I guess regular light. Looks really good. There's a better view. That looks really good. I like it. So I check in with y'all on my lunch. I just wanted to show y'all like what it looks like in regular light. And it's really quiet in here, so I'll holler at y'all later. Okay, y'all. So it's lunchtime. This is what we're looking like. We don't look bad at all, with the exception of like my minor breakouts, honey. They look really good. Cause normally like I'll have more like dewiness in my nose part or whatever. I'll have more, you know, more oils will try to break through on my nose than anything, but it looks really good. My smile lines are smiling, but I don't look like I need to like blot or anything, so it's looking really good. And it is now, what time is it? We put this on at 7:20, and it is 12:03 right now, so not bad, honey. So I just want to check in, show y'all what it's looking like. What y'all think? This is the only place I'm seeing that I'm getting a little bit oily, but not like super crazy. So I like it. And the sun is out here, so that's a plus. But we're supposed to be getting some crazy weather, supposedly. Yeah, but with the exception of our breakouts, girl, we're looking good. So I'm gonna grab me some lunch. I'll check in with y'all when I get home. We'll do maybe 1 or 2 more check-ins and see what we looking like, because I'm gonna have this on all day, so we'll see. But yeah, I just want to come on here and do check-in number 1 so y'all can see how good. And so I just want to come on here and do check-in number 1 so y'all can see how good I am still looking, girl. She's still looking good. Come on, HD skin. I know that's right. But alright, I'll check in with y'all later. So we're back at the house. So this is what I'm looking like after having this makeup on since 7:30. It is now, so it's now 5:16. I've had it on for approximately like 9.5 hours. As you can see, like, it does not look bad at all to me, in my opinion. Girl, put some gloss on. Anywho, so this is what it looks like after having this foundation on for 9.5 hours and not touching it up. In my opinion, that looks good, because like I'm oily in all the places I would normally be oily, but I feel like, cause see, look, no oils are breaking through over here. None. My area where I normally get oily in my T-zone is oily. It's not like excessively oily though. So because this is a HD Skin foundation, I did think that it would be more prone to, you know, my oils like pushing through faster. But as you saw from the previous clips, like that wasn't the case. It actually was looking good. Even like by the time I went to lunch, it looked really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch up my face. Y'all know we use the Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. And I'm gonna use a smaller brush so I can touch up the areas, only the areas that we had issues with. I'm gonna take this brush from Makeup by Ariel and Morphe. But like honestly, y'all, like that doesn't look bad. And it's literally I'm only oiling in the areas I normally get oily. So I probably need to put like a better primer. And mind you, I have not touched up my face all day. I'm gonna only touch up the areas that has excessive oil. And that's just right here in the center. And then our little friend right here decided to like want to erupt in the middle of the day. Like it was so weird. I did not understand it because it came up overnight. So, and we look good as new. You know what I'm saying? Like it looks really good. My smile lines are not as like pronounced. Normally like with other foundations, like my smile lines will be a little bit more pronounced, but it looks really good. So I would say that this foundation is long wear. I basically, like I said, I've had it on for 9.5 hours. That's awesome because I would normally, I didn't even have to put my mask on a couple of times when I went and got my lunch and stuff. So that speaks volumes because normally I didn't have to have it on for a long time, but normally when I have my mask on, like, you know, it's creating like this sweaty mess under the mask. So I like that. It's very lightweight on my skin. It has a natural finish. And they say that it's waterproof, and it does say medium coverage, which I can agree with. But when I first put it on, I thought it was gonna be like light to medium, but I can see the medium. It doesn't say that it's buildable, so there's that. But it says that it blurs and covers imperfections for up to 24 hours. I can see that because like my skin looks really good. It ain't covering up this imperfection, child. Maybe this one over here, but I mean, they're raised bumps off my skin. So, but yeah, all in all, I really like the foundation. I just really honestly love the fact that it wasn't super oily in this area here, and that all I needed to do was use my powder to touch it up. Like I could have did that a long time ago, but I do like the fact that it is very long wearing. I just really like the fact that I was not super oily, because sometimes when you're really oily, you're gonna have to do like the blot situation, and then you can put a little bit more powder over it, and sometimes you can just blot and move on. But I like the fact that I wasn't like excessively oily because I was trying something out. And I even got compliments at work. They were like, you did something different. I was like, I'm trying out something new. They was like, oh, okay, I liked it. And I was like, well, thank you. So I just want to come on here and show y'all my face and show y'all what we looking like after having it on for at least 9.5 hours. Let me know if y'all have tried this foundation down below. It did just release last month, I want to say, and everybody seems to like it, to be honest with you. I don't think I've heard anybody having any issues with it, but in my opinion, I would repurchase it. I honestly want to get some for my kit so I can, you know, use it on some of my clients. So let me know your thoughts down below. How do you think it looks? How do you think the wear test went? But in my opinion, I think it looks really good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do have comments, leave them down in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, beauties.